3 seconds. Start. The Peshawar and Bannu district monitoring officers of the Provincial Election Commission on Friday fined several Treasury and opposition lawmakers, including Pakistan People Party chairperson Bilawal Bhutto Zardari and Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah, rupees 50,000 each for violating the Code of Conduct for the upcoming local body elections in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Peshawar DMO Saeed Ahmed Khan, who is also the Regional Election Commissioner for Peshawar Division, imposed the fine on PPP leaders from Sindh, including Bilawal, Murad Ali Shah, MNAs Khurshid Shah, and others, for addressing a rally in the provincial capital on November 30. Bannu DMO Anayatullah Khan, who is also the Regional Election Commissioner for Bannu Division, fined Provincial Transport Minister Malik Shah Mahmood Khan for not participating in the election campaigns of the nominees of their respective parties in the district. In his order about Bilawal, the Peshawar DMO said senior advocate Abdur Rauf showed up for the PPP leader but did not produce his power of attorney for appearance and sought permission to do so on the next hearing. The request was rejected. The DMO added that on the last hearing on December 3, the lawyer in question was granted time to respond to the notice over the violation of Code of Conduct and produce Bilawal's power of attorney, but he failed. Various opportunities were provided to the respondent to explain his position via notice dated November 2021 for violating Section 30 of the Code of Conduct issued by ECP. However, the respondent failed to avail such opportunities. Hence, the undersigned is left with no other option but to impose fine.